We started our journey at Kudyane Sandanski. It is a folklore club. The members are practicing regularly for their stage appearances, both in and out of our country. We are proud of them because they show our folklore to other people. We arrived there and we were greeted by the members. We went there to teach them about volunteerism, and in return, we wanted them to teach us something. These dancers were friendly and patient with us. They carefully taught us one of their folkloric dances. Learning with them was unforgettably interesting. As an open club, they are ready for new members and, of course, friends. It was time for a bonding activity. It was time for a puzzle. This was the first stop of many more to come in our documentary. We continued with the primary school Goce Delchev in our town. The students were really interested in our project and also really excited. At first we visited a class where we handed out questionnaires. With a little help from us, the students filled out the questionnaires and learned about volunteerism. After that, we went outside to have a little fun. In a PE class, we did some energizers and we learned some sport skills. Another job well done. Now we go to the local high school where our members attend. We didn't miss to go and visit our one and only high school, St. Kirill and Methody. The students were interested in our activities and projects and also in our volunteering club, so we conducted recruitment for new members.
Здраво, ние сме от невладната организација ЦРОР, Центар за регионален одржив развој, од младинскиот клуб што е под таа организација СМС, сега младите создаваат. Ние правиме регрутација на нашиот клуб. Целта на нашиот клуб е да бидеме креативни. Секој што е креативен, што сака нешто да смени нашиот град, може да дојде.
Working on this movie, we had a possibility to talk with experienced people in the field of volunteerism. We wanted to see how they perceived and feel the volunteerism. They were really honest and they described as much as they could. They suggested that anyone should get a volunteering job and build themselves in a way they want. Добар ден, се наоѓаме во Средното општинско училиште Свети Кирил и Методи во Неготино. Имаме можност да зборуваме со професорот Александар Гичовски по македонски јазик и литература. Hello, we are here in the Center for People with Mental Disabilities and we have the possibility to talk with Lou, a volunteer from the Peace Corps. Hello, right now we are talking to Emilia Andonova. She is the coordinator of our club in this organization and also member of it. Well, hello, now we are in our youth club and we have the chance to talk with our EVS volunteer Angelo. And for the start I want to ask him, how long are you here in Macedonia and what are your experiences?
I'm here from 2nd April, so I'm here from 6 months. And my experience here in Macedonia was a wonderful, really nice experience.
As volunteers, we all want to know whether, from your point of view, what do you think about volunteerism and how do you see it?
Oh, I think volunteerism is very important, essential everywhere, because there are not enough people being paid to provide services that people need in all kinds of areas, for personal help or family help or help in the community. So I just believe it's part of a person's personal responsibility to help other people. But I believe it needs to be organized. I believe it needs to be for special purposes. You can't just go out and do things for people. One of the important things about the Peace Corps is we do not do things for anybody, because that would make them dependent. You would have to keep doing for them. So what we do is we work with people to help them learn how to do things in different ways that will be good for them, and then they can continue to do that even after we leave.
Волонтеризмот во општо земено го сваќам на еден многу позитивен начин, преку начин на кој што младите како вас, а и постарите, заради тоа што волонтеризмот во Македонија, во Неготино, а и сигурно во светски рамки на едно високо ниво е развиен. Значи, не само младите, туку и старите може да волонтират и да партиципират на повеќе начини, и тоа значи дека е развиен на едно доста добро ниво, колку што можам да приметам и во Неготино, а и во Македонија.
First of all, thank you for this interview. We are really happy about this documentary movie and sharing our EVS experience. First of all, because most of the members of our organization already have done EVS. One of those volunteers is Sonia. And also, our organization is accredited as a sending, hosting, and coordinating organization. Now we can make some examples of it. For example, we had an experience with our EVS volunteers, Angelo Raspante. He's from Italy, and his sending organization was CIS, Palermo, from Italy. And CRSD was an organization that hosted him for whole his project. Also, we have experience with Sonia. She was sent from this organization and was hosted in Italy from another organization. And those kind of activities are lasting for a long time and are part from Youth in Action program. Also, we are encouraging lots of local volunteers that are part from our club to take initiatives and maybe in future to do a EVS service somewhere abroad. Now we are going to apply for another volunteers, and we are really happy to host one day and to have most of the EVS that are going to have similar stories as Angelo. And he was our first volunteer, so for the first beginning we can say that it was interesting and also a challenge for us to work with this kind of program.
What are your suggestions for the next volunteers?
To enjoy the Macedonia and the Negotino like maybe I did here.
EVS volunteer is a perfect opportunity for all of the volunteers that want to go to stay abroad in different countries. So I want to encourage all of them that already have heard something about this program. Do not wait just to make a step and to do it, because it's going to be a great opportunity for them, not only for making to learn a new language or to gain another skills. It is also opportunity for themselves to be more open-minded, to live in diversity, and to take on their back a new way of life where they can contribute, and after coming back in their country they can make a difference and also to share with the others.
Okay, thank you. Another folk club upcoming. It's time for Kud Aco Đorđev, club full of Macedonian hearts and big talents. We were welcomed by generous and kind teenagers with folklore suits. They were practicing for their next performance. We joined their class and we learned another folk dance. Having fun is never enough. All of us had a great time with those folk dancers. We'd like to say every little thing is magic, so we continue with our little magic in the Center for Persons with Special Needs, Poraka. We were welcomed with warm and curious looks, hugs with our new friends. We felt like we knew each other forever. We immediately joined the creative initiative they were doing. We were making trees from beads, and we think those trees eventually came alive in our hearts and memories.
City near Piccadilly, don't really know how I got here. I got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers that I don't know.
They taught us how to be patient, how to see the world and be grateful for everything we have. These people are hard workers. They collect plastics and they have a huge machine pressing the plastic materials. We spent our little time remaining and chatting with our friends, and in the end we were pleased to hear Macedonian songs. Our little visit has finally finished. Our goodbye party starts with another welcome party. And now, get your hands up and make a smile. It will be another great photography. Memories are the best souvenir you can get. The more we try to present what we do, the less we've shown. Volunteerism is something you feel, something that comes from your soul, and you unselfishly give it where it is needed. You get more than you give, and in the end you understand it, and that's where the happiness starts. You realize how beautiful life can be, and how beautiful you really are. Every moment brings a piece of the puzzle that you are creating. And the warmness will be inside you, around you, telling you to keep on walking.